penthouse in the Unirii Square area offers a privileged position on the top level of a block of flats. It gives the sensation of floating above the city. The penthouse is divided into two main areas: the living area and the sleeping area. The living area includes the entrance hall, guest bathroom, living room, dining room, and kitchen. The sleeping area consists of 3 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. The design of the penthouse was inspired by the industrial style, incorporating elements such as high ceilings, large windows, and a color palette dominated by black. Natural and honest materials like wood, metal, brick, and concrete were chosen for the arrangement. The beneficiaries' communication with the DOF Interiors team during the developmental stage of the architectural project was crucial in realizing their desired living space. The entrance to the inner courtyard was the starting point, offering a perspective on the overall space. This courtyard, designed as a central element, became the focal point around which all other functions revolved. Not only did this courtyard, adorned with tropical plants, provide an unexpected visual appeal and evoke emotions, but it also served a functional purpose. It brought much-needed light into an otherwise dim and lifeless area,